there was this moment where like it was a broken point for me, and I was either going to go down and I was going to drown, and or I was going to take some control, and I didn't know what to do. I was bringing up 2 children single-handedly. I was working part-time in a village hall. I had no money, I had no time, I had no patience, and I was just spending all of the time trapped in my head, round and round and round, racing thoughts, reacting, emotional, and my kids were like all over the place and the same as well. There was this moment where I'd started doing yoga, and I'd had this experience following the death of my father about transformation, and I had this experience with a butterfly, and it made me start to consider taking the journey within. Now for me, what that meant at the time was I started meditating, and in the meditation thing that I was using, which was a program called Headspace, which is an app that you get, the very, very beginning of it said to me, it's really, really useful when you're doing this program to not think about yourself. It's useful to think about the people around you, what it is that you want to achieve from this. What is that? And I sat there and I thought, I just want to be the best mum that I can be for my kids. And that was the shift for me, deciding that I needed to like heal myself first, deciding to put that like my own self-care, my own emotional well-being, my own mental health first, in order to then raise a secure, confident child. I couldn't help them where I was. I had to help me first, you know? And so the Raise a Tiger program was born out of that. The reason why I don't just work with children, the reason why I work with mums is because they have to fit their gas mask first. Now, you don't have to have gone through 10 years of abuse like I did, or have lost half your family like I have, to benefit from these strategies. I mean, it's really just about setting clear intentions, deciding what it is that you want, clearing up all the emotional clutter, understanding thoughts and feelings, and then having courage to take action. And that's what I want for my kids.